All right. So, all right. So basically, sorry for all these pop-ups. I don't know how to turn them off, but here we are. Shout out to Otis because he's doing his physics. Um, so Jatara, I think you asked me for this video. So it says Eliza won 40 lollipops playing basketball at the school fair. She gave 2 to every student in her math class. She has at least 7 lollipops left. So on these, this is talking about writing those inequalities. So we know that she gave 2 to every student in her math class. All right, and she has at least 7 lollipops left. She started out with 40, right? Okay, so we're gonna do 40 minus 2x, and x is gonna represent the number of lollipops, right? I'm pretty sure I made a video on this. That's okay though. Lollipops. All right, so 40 minus 2x. So that would represent how many she had, and then she's giving out 2 to every kid. I'm sorry. X is going to represent the number of kiddos. And the reason why it's going to be the number of kids is because she's giving 2 to every kid. This girl is going to lose all of her lollipops. Okay, so she has at least 7 lollipops left. Okay, at least 7. So she could have equal to 7, or she could have more than 7. But it's going to be 40 minus 2x. It's going to be bigger than 7, which is what we did right here. Then it says solve the inequality to find the maximum number of students in her class. So now we're going to solve for x. So we're going to, and that's going to give us negative 2x. And this is going to give us negative 33. Yeah, that's math. And then I'm going to divide by negative 2 on both sides. So that's going to give me x. When we divide by a negative number, we're actually going to flip the sign. I should have learned that in like 6th grade, but like it's a thing. Divide by a negative number, flip the sign. Okay, flip to the other direction. And then 33 divided by 2. So that's going to be 16 and a half. And since we can't have half of a kid, we're going to actually round up because that's going to be the maximum number, right? Like she can have 16 and she'll be under. But if she had 17, so actually this is going to be x is less than 17. But for the true answer, we could actually put x is less than or equal to 16 because it could be equal to 16. But you can't have half kid. So both of these answers are totally fine. I'm okay with it. This is a dumb problem anyways. All right, on number 2, cannot see. Blame my dog. Number 2, more than 450 students went on a field trip. 10 buses were filled and 5 more students traveled in a car. Write inequality to represent the situation. Be sure to define your variable. All right, more than 450 students. So that's 450 students. 450 students and more than 450 students, right? So bigger than 450 students. 10 buses were filled. Okay, so we got 10 times. We don't know how many kids are on a bus, right? Like there could be 48, there could be 2. Okay, and then you've got 5 more kiddos chilling on the bus or chilling in the car, right? All right. So this would represent the number of kiddos on the bus, right? That x, number of kiddos on one bus. Good. All right, now we got to solve for the minimum number of people on each bus. So we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. Subtract 5 from both sides. So that's going to give me 445. I'm going to divide by 10 on both sides. That's going to give me x. And this would give me 44.5. Now, minimum number of people on the bus. That's going to be 44 because we're going to, 40. Yeah, it should be 45. There's a rounding up. It's going to be the minimum number of people. X could be bigger than 45, but it's got to have 45 people on the bus in order to hit this. Cool? So if it says minimum, you're going to round up. If it says maximum, you're going to round down. That's why on the last one, technically the true answer is 16. It's actually this guy right here. Okay. All right, hopefully that helps. Let me know if it doesn't.